Hey guys, welcome back. It's your cousin Nappy Danny, and I am back with another one. If you're new, stop what you're doing right now. And there's this red button. I don't really remember where it is, depending on how you're watching this, but you should click it and become a part of this NappyHead family that I have here. I'll wait. And if you're not already, go ahead and click that bell button too, so you're notified every single time I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up because you know you already like it. So in today's video, I am going to be doing something different, a makeup tutorial. Me copying a makeup person. I'm trying Desi Perkins flawless skin, no foundation technique that she does, and her skin was popping in that video, okay? And she had like 3 acne bumps that were real red, and she covered up really nicely. I don't have any active acne, but I do have some small ones that are going away. So I definitely want to try the what's it called? That technique where you make them into little beauty marks. Even though, as you can see, I got a bajillion beauty marks all on my face. So it's like everywhere. I'm freckled the heck up. So the first thing that she did was use a pencil eyebrow brush to do the eyebrows. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna do. So let's jump right into it. So I'm just gonna comb up my eyebrows because my eyebrows are actually curly. If you have curly eyebrows, give this video a thumbs up because it's a struggle. It's like, it's so annoying to keep them in place. Okay, so she used a stencil, a brow stencil in her video. I don't have that, so I'm just going to lightly outline my shape, because that's basically what she used a stencil for, just to outline quickly, and then she went back in. So I'm going to do that. And now after she outlined them, what she did was go back with the same brush and just do like strokes to mimic the way your hair lays. So I'm going to do the same thing to fill in everywhere. And by the way, this is not my eyebrow color at all. I still just I never use this to do my eyebrows because it's not my color. But I didn't feel like going to the store to specifically just get this just for the video. So if it look a little crazy, it's YouTube. I ain't going nowhere special. Yes, sir. This is what my eyebrows are looking like now. Yes. Okay, now what she did, she actually sprayed the spoolie, whatever the hell this is. I can't talk today. And she took some water. She actually took her Max Fix Plus, but I don't got that no more because I used it all. And I didn't want to, like I said, go to the store to buy more. But she said you could use water. So I'm going to spray this with water. Get it damp. And then what she said was she took some soap and just applied a little bit to the spoolie. It don't matter what soap. I mean, I would recommend something that's not scented. That might help in life. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of this liquid soap onto that. And then I brush up, and this acts as a this acts to keep your brows in place. Okay, Desi, you just might have did something though. I see you. Smile for me, Daddy. What you looking at? I wanna see your grill. You wanna see my wood? Yeah. Your grill, your grill. Whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold. And now what she did, she moved on to her eyelashes, which she didn't even use mascara. All she got was is a lash curler. Why can't I talk today? All she used was a lash curler just to curl her eyelashes, and she claims that this opened up her eyes. So I'm gonna do it too and see if it opened up mine, because my eyelashes aren't naturally like curled like that. I really don't see much of a difference. I don't know if I'm not doing it right though. Maybe my eyelashes do curl naturally. Okay, the next thing that she did was to conceal. She covered all of her marks and underneath her eyes lightly with a concealer of her choice. I don't have her specific concealer. I like using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is my favorite concealer because it's cheap and it works amazingly. So I'm going to go underneath my eyes and hit the scars that I have, because I don't really have any active acne, but you know, I still got scars from when I did have horrible acne. So I'm gonna just do that. And this is the one I'm dreading the most because I stay with my beauty blender. But she used a brush to blend everything in. I've never liked brushes, honestly. Ever since beauty blenders came out, I was like, great. But I'm gonna do the brush and see what's popping. So what she did, she started at the end of the end of the concealer first and blended it out like that so it's smooth in with your skin before she went up. So I'm gonna do the same technique. I look dead. And for the problem area, she said to pat it in and not blend or rub it, to like let it get in there. So I will be doing the same. Tap, 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 revenge. So now what she did was take her ring finger and press underneath her eyes to really get the concealer to go in. Because like I said, the Beauty Blender would have done a better job for this part of the under eye. That's why I like the Beauty Blender. The brush never really buffs it out for me good. But she uses her fingers, so it makes sense. So she does not add any powder on this. I'm not going to add a powder either because I feel like powder makes the process look fake. And right now my skin looks like popping. That's good. The next step is to use a highlighter. She uses a liquid highlighter as well. She actually uses 2 highlighters. And this is the most unnatural part. That's what she says. But, you know, we still got to be popping. So she applies this with a little teeny weeny beauty blender and then blends it out with a bigger beauty blender. But I am actually just going to use the droplets for this one because this is the NYX cheekbones like that. Because clearly I can't talk. And on this side. And I'm going to add one nose bridge. So now I'm just going to pat that and like move it around on my cheekbones. Dang, I can't talk. Put that on my cheekbones a little bit, not blending it all the way, just getting it where I want it. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. And I'm just patting it in with the beauty blender. Keeping it in place, but making sure it's blended, because with liquid highlighters you could really mess up and see like a big streak of like line of where you put it, and that ain't cute. So you just want to push that into your skin so you could be popping, popping. She keep it on and popping. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shot it, shot it. And then she takes her buffing brush again and just like goes over everything to make sure it's seamless with the skin. So I will do the same. And now she takes another concealer. Now she takes another highlight, and this one is in a liquid. It's a powder or whatever you call it, and she applies more highlight. So this is Becca one. She used a different one. All the information about all of the products that I use will be in the description box, as well as Desi Perkins video. So I'm just going to put some on my brush and apply it on top of the previous highlight to get more pop-a-tin. And she did that C thing where you come up to your eyebrow and swoop. And with the finger, I'm going to do my nose. Then she actually put another highlight on the top part of her cheekbones, but I don't got nothing to put there. I don't like that much highlight, so I'm going to skip that part and go straight into the blush. And for the blush, I'll be using this Tarte one, and I'm just going to take my blush brush, and I'm going to apply that underneath the highlight, because that's what she did, and like swoop it back. And she also applied some to her nose to give that that effect of what you call it? Y'all know, sunburn look. Sun-kissed, I mean. Because I don't burn, baby. And last but not least, she put on a lipstick, but I'm a lip gloss type of girl, so I will be putting on lip gloss. Because my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys be jacking. They chase me after school because my lip gloss. Yeah, I forgot to add my fake moles, so I'm going to go back in with the same thing I used for my eyebrows. So I'm going to just be using this. Hopefully it doesn't come off too fake. And I'm going to just like dot it. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Hashtag no makeup, hashtag no filter, hashtag no foundation. Bitch, get like me. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this recreation of Desi Perkins. I really love her YouTube videos, and I love this video because I was like, girl, when I first saw it, it's a year old, but when I first saw it, that's when I had acne everywhere. So I was like, I won't dare to try this yet, but now I can. So leave comments down below on what videos you want to see next. And if you're not, again, I already told you in the beginning, subscribe, because you know you want to be a part of this NappyHead family. Click the bell button so you're notified every single time I post, and give this video a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Boy, how'd you get your grill that way? And how much did you pay? Every time I see you, the first thing I'm gonna say is, hey, smile for me, daddy. What you looking at? I wanna see your grill. You wanna see my what? Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.